To get started doing this, all you need is a Gmail account. We will show you exactly how you can start making money online immediately by reading emails with a tool that you can use completely for free. And this method that we'll show you today is available to anyone and everyone worldwide, and it's completely free to do. But before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to this channel if you enjoy this type of content on how to make money online. It also helps us continue to create content for the channel. Also, make sure you click on the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video pops up so you can learn how to make money online. Now, let's get back into it. So the site that we will be looking at today is a site called ClicksGenie.com. And as you can see right in front of us here on the dashboard, this is how you can make up to about 4 cents for every email you read. This is exactly how you're going to get paid. And it's as simple as it sounds. You get paid for every single email that you read. And this is a solid amount of money. But before we continue this video, we want to let you know that this is not a long-term strategy or method of making money online. This won't pay you an insane amount of money. So please refrain from having a strong expectation of having crazy results. If you'd like to learn about other real, long-term strategies in making money, please be sure to check out other videos on our channel. Anyways, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the many elements or features this website offers to its users. The first one is that it has a friendly interface. This is really convenient as many sites similar to this are quite difficult to use, which can be very frustrating and discouraging when trying to make money online using this method. The next feature is a really nice one. Having multiple learning options allows you to make even more money as opposed to just relying on one source of income stream. While you're able to earn money for simply just reading emails, you're also able to earn even more by referring your friends to do the same. And when it comes to referrals, you can see here that you can earn even more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. These are what's known as multiple levels of commission. So getting a 320% increase in your commission is quite significant. This is a very unique and extremely advantageous feature on this site that we have not seen in any other sites similar to this one. This is a fantastic addition to the site, and we strongly recommend that you take advantage of it and refer other people, so you are able to earn some extra income on this site. Next, we'll show you where you can share this particular affiliate link in order for you to get paid properly. And if you'd like to learn more, you can click right here where it says "Read more here," but we won't get into it in this video. Another feature that this site has is security. This essentially means that your data won't be at risk when interacting with this site. This site also provides complete transparency. All your earnings will be tracked and verified inside your account area. And then lastly, you can see that this site is super fast, where the site loads in less than 1 second. Additionally, ClicksGenie is mobile friendly. You can download this to your smartphone device if you'd like. So this site isn't only available for a PC or a laptop. Next, if you look right here, you'll see some very important information regarding your payments. First and foremost, when you get paid, it's an instant transaction. There is no wait time whatsoever. You get paid for every email you read and every referral you make to this website. All you need is 1 cent to be able to withdraw your money and put it into your bank account. This is an extremely low minimum payout relative to other similar websites. And like mentioned previously, you get paid 4.2 cents per every email that you read. In other words, after every single email you read, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings immediately. And then lastly, you can see that there are several different payment options. So for those of you who prefer one payment option over another, for example, if you dislike using PayPal, you can use an alternative payment option. So if you are an individual who likes and prefers cryptocurrency, this site is perfect because, as you can see, you can get paid through Bitcoin. And then if we scroll down a bit further, you can see that this site is extremely secure and you can get more info about it. And then if we scroll down again a bit further, you can see something that we are very excited to show you. This is the stats section where it shows the total numbers, the current members online, and the total amount paid out. And then if you click on proofs right here, you'll be directed to this page, which is something that we must show you because there are so many sites similar to this one that scam people. Also, this will prove that this site is available to everyone worldwide. So if we scroll down, you can clearly see that there are people getting paid from this website from all over the world. So clearly, we can see that this proves that this is not a scam whatsoever, and that it's available to anyone and everyone worldwide. Anyways, if we go back to the home page and scroll down a bit further, you can see that it takes less than 30 seconds to register and start earning. They provide real-time stats of all your earnings. They show that it's open to everyone from any country in the world, and they offer rapid customer support 24 hours every day. The last thing you can view on this website are the frequently asked questions. If you'd like, you can go over to this yourself as we won't be covering this in this video. And right above the frequently asked questions is the register button, which you will need to click on in order to create your free account and start earning some money on this website. Something important to mention is that you will not be able to start earning money right away with this website. There's a step here in this video that you must do that we will show you later on. Please do not skip this step, otherwise none of this will work for you. So to create your account, all you need to do is create a username, put your email, your password, click this box to read and accept their terms of service, in which you can click right here to go over yourself if you'd like, and click the box right below to show that you have read and accepted the privacy notice, which you can also read by clicking right here. And then it's optional to click on the third box if you'd like to receive marketing communication. And then finally, click on register to create your account. After you've done that, you receive an email from them that includes a link for you to click to finish your registration process. Clicking on this link will confirm your email and complete the registration of your account. After that, you'll want to go to ClicksGenie.com and click on Login to log into your new account. So once you've logged in, this is what you'll see in your brand new account. And as you can see, the interface is very simple and straightforward, like they mentioned previously on their site. This will make it very easy for beginners to navigate this site. You can see your earnings right over here, and then if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see your summary, referrals, money, people, and statistics. If you click on referrals, it will display the number of people you have referred to this website and how much you've earned from doing that so far. So when you want to withdraw your money, you would need to click money right here and then click on withdraw. That's it. Up here is your referral link. And like we mentioned previously, referring people to this site is a very good idea as it does pay you quite well. There are hundreds of Make Money Online Facebook groups that are completely free to join, where you are able to share this link with people, inform them that ClicksGenie has allowed you to make money, and that they can do the same if they're also interested in making money online. However, there is something that you have to do in order to start earning income from reading emails. This is exactly why I urged you to keep watching this video. As you can see, there are no emails for you to read, so you can start earning money. So what you have to do is head over to your Gmail account, look for an opened message that looks something like this, and read the email where it explains that you need to add ClicksGenie to your contacts list in order to start earning some money. But here's the issue. If you try following these exact steps, it's not going to work. They instruct that you click on these 3 dots right here in order to add ClicksGenie to your contacts list. But when you do try and complete that step, there isn't an option to add ClicksGenie to your contacts list. So in order to actually add them to your contacts list, what you need to do is click on Google Apps right here, and then go down and click on Contacts. This will enable you to add them as a contact to your contacts list. Head over here on the left-hand side and click on Create Contact. Then, click on Create a Contact after that. You will put Clicks as their first name and Genie as their last name. Next, you need to add their email, and you can find that by going to the previous email we were looking at. Copy the email and then paste it into the email box right here. You can leave everything else blank and click on Save to complete this step. After you've completed this step, you will now be able to receive and read emails from ClicksGenie and start earning money. They will be sending you emails daily, and you will see over here on your dashboard that every email you open and read, you will get paid. It's just that easy. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you liked this video and learned a lot, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to learn more ways about how to make money online. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified immediately every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Click right here if you'd like to learn about another way to make money online right now.